James here from James's modelling channel. This is a look inside the box of Bronco's 1/35 scale Pz.Kpfw.III and the A variant. The box is a very nice illustration of a Pz.Kpfw.III and a Pz.Kpfw.II together. You get the decals, photo etch parts, and the tracks are the link type. So again, both sides showing the front box art and the type of Pz.Kpfw.III. Some illustrations of parts that can be opened, hatches, the mudguards that can be stored back. higher one. So moving on to the instructions, to the front there is the Pz.Kpfw.III illustration, same as the box art. There is 3 languages. Also at the bottom, up the page, there is a 5-step method for applying decals if you're a starter or starting out modelling. This is a little helpful guide. There is symbols throughout the assembly of the kit, so if you're unsure which symbol they are down there, there is a suggested colour page also. Over the page there is the sprue map or parts list, so if you're struggling to find a certain part within the build, if you come to here, refer to the parts list and that will help you. So step 1 through to 5 is the lower hull assembly with the suspension, driver sprocket, the return wheel and the road wheels. That does continue over on page 5, so steps 6 and 7 are continuing with the road wheels. 8, 9 and 10 are the rear of the tank and the start of the upper portions of the hull. Step 11 is the track assembly with the link and length. There is a nice touch here. They give you a jig for the tracks with the ease of assembling them in little sections at a time. Steps 12 through to 14 is the mudguard assembly, where you're adding stowage boxes and the tools, the jack and the jack block and various other parts to the mudguards. Over the page, that's 15 is adding them to the tank itself. 16 is the photo etch parts being added onto where the engine compartment is. 17 is your gluing it to the tank. 18 and 19 are the armament assembly. 20 is adding the other half of the top hull. 21 is the turret assembly through to 22 and 23. And it does continue on over the page, page 13, and steps 24 to 26 is still continuing on with the turret assembly. 27 is the final step, is adding the turret to the tank itself. So finally the colour and decal guide. Option 1 is unidentified unit, Germany, that's 1938 to 1939, with the Panzer Grey and brown camouflage scheme. Option 2, again unidentified unit, Germany, 1940, that is a overall Panzer Grey scheme with 231 as the markings. Option 3, again unidentified unit, Germany, 1940, Panzer Grey with only the cross for this option. Option 4 is the 1st Battalion, 1st Panzer Regiment, 1st Panzer Division, Poland, September 1939, with the number 223. Has been the Bronco 1/35 scale Panzer III review. Thanks for watching.